Hey, what's up guys, Frank here with another video, and today I wanted to talk about the recent Amazon merch rejection that I got. And in this case, it is quite a very special case because I voluntarily pushed the envelope to see what would happen. So I did some sort of test and I wanted to share it with you, okay? So let's go right in. Okay, so a few days ago, I uploaded a bunch of designs, and one of them is a very special design, okay? Because when I uploaded it, I knew exactly what I was doing in this case, okay? And this design here is "Be nice to me, my wife is pregnant," okay? And this is a simple design about motherhood and a mother that is pregnant. But the thing is that when you check the trademark, okay, there's a trademark with this name, this design, okay? And so if you check "Be nice to me, my wife is pregnant" for trademark, you can see that there's a trademark in the US that is registered for the class 25, okay? And so this here is a very important trademark, okay? But in my case, I saw it, and what I decided to do here is that I wanted to test this, okay? What would happen if I take this trademark and I take this design, but I still upload it, but not in the country that it is registered. So in this case, this trademark is only in the US, and so what I did is that I uploaded everywhere except in the US. And as you can see, okay, the .com, there's nothing, but all the other marketplaces are checked. And so I wanted to see what would happen in this very specific case. And ultimately, my design got rejected. And my design here, I was not surprised because I was kind of expecting it, but I wanted to see what would happen, okay? So as usual, when I get a rejection, I always contact the Amazon merch support because I want to understand why I get rejection. So in this case, I got a bunch of rejections, so I opened the ticket about all these rejections, but I'm gonna talk specifically about this rejection right here, okay? So the first thing that they said is that I had a bunch of rejection about these design, and then in this very case, the person said that "Be nice to me, my wife is pregnant" has a trademark, and because of that, it was rejected. And so here, I kind of knew exactly what was happening, okay? Because I knew that this person was referring to this trademark that I knew what would happen. And so basically what I did is that I replied to this person and I basically said, I know that this is trademarked, but this is only registered in the US office. And so here, in this case, I did not upload it in the US market, but only in the other marketplaces, okay? And so, yes, I don't have the documentation for this trademark, but why am I not able to publish it in other marketplaces other than US? And the reply to this was, "We strictly enforce guidelines around intellectual properties. A trademark in one country may be enforced across all marketplaces. We do this to protect Amazon customers, content creators, third-party brands, and Amazon itself." And so this here is very important to see and understand, because even though this design was only rejected in the US, even if you don't upload it in the US, but you only upload it in other marketplaces, you can still get rejected. And so, in conclusion here, is that this design got rejected from a trademark that is only in the US, but I did not upload it, I did not publish it in the US, but only in the other marketplaces. And so here in this situation, I did this on purpose because I wanted to see what would happen if I published a design that had a trademark in one country in other marketplaces. And my conclusion is that if you think that a design has one trademark in one country, don't publish it. Just don't do it, okay? Because even if it's not in other marketplaces, in other offices, Amazon can still reject it because Amazon wants to keep everybody safe. And so I kind of understand why they do this, but in some other way, I don't think that this is necessarily legal. So I'm not quite sure to think about this, but this is what's happening. And so that's pretty much it for this video. I hope that this video was helpful to you. And if this video was valuable to you, you could consider liking the video, subscribing to my channel, and if you have any question or any comment, you can leave them below because I will answer your questions, and your comments and your thoughts could be interesting to other people watching this video. And you could also consider watching this video right here, where I explain what you should do if you get a rejection on Amazon merch. Okay, so that's it for this video. Peace.